Hi designers, welcome to Designer. Today we're going to show you how to animate your social posts. This is extremely useful if you want to get more engagement out of all your marketing needs. So before we get going, please like us and subscribe to our channel, and we're going to show you how to animate your social posts. Let's get started. Okay, let's start designing. So the first thing we need to do is go to the Designer website and choose our templates. So as you can see on the left-hand side, you've got lots to choose from. We're going to choose something for Valentine's Day because that's coming up. And then you go over to the tabs at the top here for social posts, and you can click on Instagram. That will open up a whole range of templates that you can use. We're going to choose this one and we're going to start designing. Okay, so the color is not exactly what we want, so we're going to change that. So let's go up to the set background color. Now in your library colors, you can already have chosen some colors. Today we've chosen this aqua color, and that's already in our preset colors. So we click on that. You can click on 2 elements at a time, and that will change that as well at the same time. Then we can go back up and you can choose another color. So you can see here we've set a couple of colors for our brand. So click on that, and then we can choose the text, and you can choose the 50% off box, and you can change the color so it all sets automatically. Then what we need to do is play around a little bit. You can swap out the text here. You can play around with the design elements and have some fun and really make your template anything you want. The next thing we want to do is go over and put in a logo. So if you go to the left, you'll see a logo box. You can already have put in one of your logos for your business. We've already pre-done one here for Healthy Spa. So that's going to be our business today. We'll put that in, and you can see it all matches up nicely with the colors. Then all we have to do is swap out the pic. So let's go over to the image tab on the left here. That opens up our stock library. Now in our stock library, we have got millions of stock images that we can use. So there's definitely something that you can use. Go through and pick something that's really going to work for your design template. We're going to swap it out for a girl swimming, something really nice and calm and serene that matches with our color palette. We like this one. I'll put that in. Okay, so now you can see how quick and easy it is to design a template, and now we get to animate. So let's see how that can pop. Okay, so now we're ready to animate. This is the fun part. This is the way you're going to get more engagement on your social posts. And we're going to show you how you can do that in a really easy way. So now that you're back in the editor, you go to the left-hand side and you'll see animation. Click on that, and then that will bring you to this panel on the left-hand side. We're going to change the duration so our elements have a little bit more of a slower time frame. So we're going to click on that and we're going to change it to 2 seconds. And then what you do is you have some fun. Play around with it. You can click bounce in, you can click scrapbook, you can click zoom in, pan, and as you can see, it will completely pop, change, move your entire template with lots of motion. So that's what we want to do to get some life into the template. The second thing you can do is click element animations over here. When you click on that, it gives you the ability to be able to move only certain parts of your template, so you have a lot more flexibility. So what we're going to do is click on the Valentine's text here, and then we're going to make that pop with like a zoom in, or you can click on the 50% off box at the same time, and we're going to have both of those moving. It's a really great way that you can use on your template to have some features moving with motion, but the rest of the template stays still. So let's have a play with the hearts, for instance. You can click on the 3 hearts at once, and then you can go around, go down and find something to make them move. We're going to play around and we'll try the pan here. That moves it to the side, or the rise moves it up. And this is really handy, especially if you want to keep your logo static, for instance. So there you have it. You can see how much fun you can have. You can do so much with your creations and make them pop and move and slide, and you can just have lots of fun and getting a lot more life and motion into your templates. And then the last thing, all you have to do, and this is super easy, you go up to the right-hand side here, click download, and that will open up a few drop-down options for you. And then what you need to do is turn that into a video, and then you can automatically download straight into all your files and you're ready to go. So now you can see just how easy it is to use animation into your social posts. Anyone can do this. You don't need to be a professional graphic designer, and you can make all your social media pop and move, and we love it. We hope you guys love it. Have a play around with it and have some fun, and if you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Happy designing!